All right, this is a Kubota zero turn. It's a 331 ZD331. I bought it in 2010 new. I'm going to be changing the air filter, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute. Here's the relief mechanism to kick it out of place. Let me clean it off a little. The filter I'm going to use is a, says here a X0022ARE2T, and it's a inner and outer air .2250 and a K3181-82240. It'll be in the link below. It basically comes with two filters wrapped in plastic. You have the inner filter and the outer filter. I'm going to show you how to replace that. Edit. Okay, looking at this, you can see the vacuum. Let me flip this around. What happens is the spring gets pulled down as it gets more clogged. I'm going to push the yellow button to see if it resets, and it doesn't reset. It's never really worked right, but you'll see that the filters are pretty clean because I change them once a year or every other year. You should be able to read the writing there. It says Kubota, talks about the filters. So let me, step one, open the case, remove the case, edit. There is a second connection there. Let me come back around and pull this off. I'm going to go clean this out. Another thing to watch out for is right here. On tractors, you'll see a lot more, not pollen, but what is it called? Seed from the hay. I'm going to turn, twist this a little, and remove it. Off she comes. All right. You see this filter? Charlie would blow it out, but we're not doing that now. I'm going to set this down. Now the let me take a look at how that goes. All right, I had to use a screwdriver. All right, edit this, Dave. I had to use a screwdriver to basically pry that out. So, taking a look, this is the inner filter, and that's good and dirty. So let me go set this down, just so you know that yellow piece goes in last. Here is the new clean one. It mounts in like so, and it goes flush. Sorry about that. It goes flush all the way in. Now grabbing the outer filter. There you go. It's spun. I'm spinning it. You don't need to spin it, but it's now in, and so I'm going to put the cover on. Is this still working? It sure is. Is that pointing to where I want it? Yeah, good enough. It's important for the vehicle to be able to breathe. Okay, I did wipe this out. The position it was setting in was approximately here. Okay, it's holding there. Let me go to the other side. There we go. Oh, there we go. Now, it's currently sitting in place. I'm going to double check the position. That's in. This is down towards the bottom. This is in. So we're reset. So that's looking just right. Here is the old filter. You can see the dirt. Here's the inner filter, and you can see that dirt. I'm putting it in the plastic bag, putting it back in the box, and throwing it away. I have another one coming in on order, and another one coming in on order. And I'll show you where I got it. And that's step one of many things I need to do to this. Thank you for watching.